I'm Lauren Reese, and it's Flyer Monday. Happy Wellness Week! Looking for events to go to this week? Check out these BGSU events. Always wanted to learn how to swim? Sign up for the Learn to Swim lessons at the Rec Center on Monday, February 15th. Group, semi-private, and private lessons are available. All skill levels are welcome. When's the last time you updated your resume or cover letter? Drop-in hours hosted by the Career Center are being held on Tuesday, February 16th and Wednesday, February 17th from 1 to 3 p.m. in room 225 in the Student Union. Get ready for another exciting speaker from the Beyond the Dream series. Big data expert, math professor, and host of Nova Wonders, Talithia Williams, will host a virtual conversation and Q&A session on exposing students to STEM careers on Tuesday, February 16th from 6 to 7:30 p.m. Don't miss this groundbreaking professor. Expand your resume and become a better leader. The Marvin Center for Student Leadership is hosting a series of sessions for students interested in earning their virtual ethical leadership certificate. Sign up and join in on Wednesday, February 17th. Lift as we rise. Engage with the BGSU community and share resources during this virtual Taste of February event on Wednesday, February 17th at 6 p.m. This week's theme, the Black Panthers. It's time to relax and be well. Wellness Days will take place this week on Thursday, February 18th and Friday, February 19th. Wellness events will be held all week and throughout the weekend in the residence halls. View the BGSU calendar to see what's happening in your hall. You won't want to miss these events. Stay up to date on all the events happening at BGSU by going on the BGSU event calendar and look out for Flyer Monday videos every Monday.